Alright, guys, so welcome back again in our SQL playlist. We are going to learn, write it down our first uh, table. We are going to make one table. As you know, we are continue our uh, playlist. We already made make a one database name on university, so we are going to add more data on this databases. So let's just try. First of all, we must clean our data. This all the lines. So let's just remove uh, uh, database. First of all, database temp 1. As you know, you can see, we have temp 1 file here, database here. So select and remove it. So as you can see, we got the error. Why we have this error? Because we our cursor was here. So you have to select this and enter and remove. So now it's remove, and let's just remove everything this here. Okay. And you can see we have this create database university, and we are going to use it. So for that, you just need to use, like, write it down, use university. This is very simple English, and MySQL Workbench provides us very facility that we just need to write some commands, and it will automatically execute. And so let's just use run. So we are in our university database. We can write anything. We can write and make a new table. So let's just create a table here first. Create table on the name of student. So we are going to add one student name here, and we have to add an int primary key, and a name varchar 50. No need to worry about this, all the things that you have. What is primary key or what is varchar? We are going to learn more about on this video. Let's just write age not null, and close this parenthesis semicolon. Let's just understand by going on our WordPad. So we already make one table here. So uh, create table name. So we add our student, one of the student name here, student, int integer, and primary key. So column name 1, and data type constraint, and name varchar 50. So maximum 50 words will be, we can add in that, and age is not null. And also we are going to understand what is data type here. So as you can see, we use varchar on our name. So here is a varchar. String can store characters up to given length. So varchar 50 means we can add 50 characters in our string, as a string value. And as you can see, we have age not int not null int. So int is here integer. It means that you can add any numeric values in your age, because we all know that age is around 1 to 100. So this is the way we decide our data type in our SQL. So let's understand more on that. So database related queries, database create database, and as we already learn about this, how you can create and drop databases. So database, so table line, we have this error here that it shows that int is not valid at this position. So we forgot to add our ID and ID int primary key. As you know that we understand that go up, and uh, if we are going to create a table and table name. So here is a create table, and the table name will be the student, and in that we use column name 1. So for first column name, we are going to add ID, and ID will be on integer form and primary key. Uh, no need to worry about primary key. We will learn more on the upcoming videos and in this video as well. But let's understand the column name 2. Column name 2 will be the name, and column name 3 will be the age. For column name to name, and we need a varchar 50. So varchar is a data type, as we all know that varchar, and it will add and store a character from 0 to 255, but we only adding 50 character right now. So and also age is integer in the form of integer. We are not going to empty any age for a row in our column. So we use not null. So it will we must store any value, because if anyone is here, any student have name and ID, it must be they have must add their age also. And also go now we can just run this code, just copy, I mean just select this and run execute. So our query is executed right now. You can see here, and go into the our university. Before that we refresh all, and you can see we have table. Click on table. You can see our student table is created, and in there we have the column. Click on column. We have the three columns here: ID, name, and age. Yeah, so this is the way you can create a table in our MySQL Workbench.